Here is the definition of uniform continuity. I'll leave a link in the description to my lesson introducing this definition if you need to review. We're going to use it to prove that the function f of x equals x is uniformly continuous on the real numbers. You're not going to get an easier uniform continuity proof than this one. Just like with ordinary continuity, our proof begins with an arbitrary epsilon greater than 0. Then, since we're trying to prove that f of x equals x is uniformly continuous on all real numbers, we take an arbitrary real number, let's say c. Then, for all xy that are within delta of each other, what we want to show is that the distance between f of x and f of y is less than epsilon. However, to make this work, we need to select the correct delta. As usual, we can just proceed without knowing what delta is, and in the process of writing out our steps, we'll be able to find what delta should be. We, of course, need to look at the distance between f of x and f of y. So we consider the absolute value of f of x minus f of y, and by definition of this function, we know this equals the absolute value of x minus y. Of course, the absolute value of x minus y is exactly what we know is less than delta. Now, if we want the distance between f of x and f of y to be less than epsilon, what should we make delta equal to? Well, of course, the answer is epsilon. If delta is equal to epsilon, then our proof is done. We have that the absolute value of f of x minus f of y, by definition of the function, is the absolute value of x minus y, which we can assume is less than delta, and delta is equal to epsilon. So what we need to set delta equal to is epsilon. So by definition, we've just shown that f of x equals x is uniformly continuous at an arbitrary real number. Hence, it is uniformly continuous on all real numbers.